Hello guys! Excited pala kaming lahat ngayon dahil makita na namin ang aking dalawang pamangkin na half Pinoy Canadian at family ng sister ko sa Canada. Ito palang unang pagtatagpo. Hello!
Ayun.
Vlog to vlog. Hey.
Si Ayun. Hey.
Hi.
Hi Cyrus. Cyrus. Yan si Cyrus. Hi Naning. Kamusta Naning? Hi.
Sit.
Hi. Hi Nay. Hi Nay. How are you?
Oh, may hangin.
Hi Tay.
Elian, hello. You know, do you remember? Dan, Adam. No, from mountain, no? Mountain. Mountain person, no? Mountain man, no? Yeah. I'm busy, ha?
Are you in school right now? Oh. When did they get summer break? Grade 3?
Dako pa mas Cyrus.
Wait, summer break ko na eh.
Summer break.
July.
29 start.
Of
July
their-
29.
July 29th.
The start of their school. Yeah. Ito yung time na kumain kami ng hapunan sa isang restaurant.
Si Haytan.
Narito naman guys ang araw ng pagtitipon namin sa isang private pool para makilala pa nila ang iba pa naming mga relatives.
Naog na diha. Kay ganiya ra mi dire. Matabang na. Sa tubangan, sa tubangan. Na dito magalit ako.
O pa ka ideya sa sod?
Wala po eh. Say hi there.
Sure.
Sa panado eh.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
Hi.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Yeah, hello. Wala ya kita na. Reaction dayon.
Taguman. Asa man? Asap si Adrian. Ano ana naglugat sa swimming pool na oh, sa kiddie pool. There. You wanna see
Come here,
there?
Ethan.
Go,
Come here.
go kuya at Tito Ariel. Kuya pa siya tinubig ako.
Yes, swimming pool. Don't be shy because they are friendly.
Yeah, we're.
There's the swimming pool. So nice. Do you want to swim? Huh? Huh? Do you know how to swim? Wow. Mga Bini member na sila.
Abot ni John. Abot ni John. John is na billiard. Nag-billiard sila? Ethan!
Jadi sana siya, Dede.
Hmm?
Di sana siya.
Mama.
Ah.
Siguro. Like from Canada to Philippines.
What to? They ordered this cake.
From Canada. Welcome.
Yeah, so nice. Very creative.
Yes.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
You guys
Pangarya sila day.
mga unang pangit.
Ngayon naman ay nakipag-banding ang nanay ko sa kanyang apo na half Pinoy Canadian. Sinulit nila ang banding dahil ito ang una nilang pagkikita. Video raban eh.
Hello, say hi. Hi.
Bumalik na sila dito sa amin pagkatapos ng kanilang trip sa kilalang tourist destination dito sa Pinas. Sinulit talaga ang bakasyon at ngayong araw ay magpapaalam na sila dahil kinabukasan ay flight na nila pabalik ng Canada.
Thanks to our Almighty. Only God.
Wait, where is it? Oh, I think Yes! I'm a master at this. I'm just gonna guess it.
Your dreams come true. Your dreams come true.
It's right over here. Oh yeah, you didn't know this. I know that. How come you didn't pick it? Grade 1. You're not gonna guess it.
See the camera first, the two of you. Hi. Where's the card?
Finish.
Oh, you've done already?
Let's do it different. Let's do it different. No, I like this. No, let's do
Hug only. One.
A sign of
Sign of love.
respect of your
Respect of
grandfather. Love to Lolo.
That is the sign, huh? Palab.
Oh, love,
Grandpa Philippines.
love only to grandpa.
Grandpa
Hug
Philippines.
only.
Hug.
Yeah.
This is a sign of love, oh, grandpa in the Philippines, huh? You remember? Huh?
That's your Lolo, grandpa.
Remember, huh? Dong, huh?
You remember your Lolo here in the Philippines?
Remember, huh? Grandma also, huh?
And also grandpa. Second grandma.
Come here, oh. Ethan.
Magtig jo ni Adrian umiitan ba?
Love family, ha? Yeah. Amy and your grandchildren, ha?
Here, Ethan, oh, see?
Hey, brother, children.
There, oh. Oo. Still have someone.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Smelling. Ripe.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This one, oh, the flower blooms. Yeah. Full bloom. Full bloom.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Because wasn't it like this?
Huh?
Did Adam take a picture?
I don't know.
I didn't bring my
Ah.
camera.
There's a right.
Yes. Yes. Ariel showed us. I could smell it.
Humot, uy. Pwede ka, humot. Pwede ka, baho.
Dili abi na ko dili kana dito ba sa inyo igbaw ba abi
Ah, na, uy. Napa mag-igamay pa.
Kuyog lang tayo. Kuyog lang ta kay naman sa kuno si Linglin kay wala namin nagkita ni Linglin.
Nandot kayo ko, no?
Kana ay mo nang nangayo ko nice kay na yang sandalan. Cute.
Come here, it's Adrian. Come here.
Adrian, no. No people there.
No people.
Imo gipawong ang kuan. Imo gipawong ang kuan. Hi. Ay, palingot na ni. So sweet.
Bye-bye dong. Regards santa ka sa imo mama ha. Kasi pa day mga kuan ang mama discount na kadiri.
Same face. The name of this cat is Wanda.
Is it?
Wanda.
Where's the baby kid?
I don't know.
Cyrus
Nagmuhi lang kasi sa aras ka ron.
Bye-bye Cyrus Ethan.
Chicken. Big chicken.
Bye Cyrus. Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Cyrus. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Will you remember us? Good. We'll remember you.
We'll see him soon.
See you soon ha. Doon na tayo magkita.
In Canada, I'll hit you with the snowball.
Snow fight.
And make a snowman.
Snowball. Nindot lagi buwak ay.
It's just a weed kind of thing. Yeah. It's not edible.
Kana.
A fig. A kind of a fig. Yeah, a kind of a fig. A local fig in the Philippines.
Ugma pa tayo.
Babay, ha? Iyabot ko, ha? Be, ato ni Potlon. Mo tumunta ko ninyo kayo.
We wanna chase the